National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for north central Wayne County, central Nash County, west central Edgecombe County, Wilson County, east central Johnston County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Fremont, or 12 miles east of Smithfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fremont around 4:05 p.m. Wilson around 4:25 p.m. Elm City around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Princeton, Manhunta, Sharpsburg, Micro, and Kenley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Johnston, Nash, Wayne, and Wilson.